Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you all are doing well. Got a super rare truck to show you this afternoon. Hope you're going to like it. It's a 2014 Kenworth w900l factory built glider kit. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 18 speed, full lockers, 46 rears, wet kit. It's got everything that you're going to need in a day cab like this. It's got super low miles as well. I've got it hot today. I'm going to show you oil pressure, blow by, do a full walk around for you. Southern truck, so there's no rust either. I think you're going to really like it. Let's get rolling. Said low miles, 156,000. Got it up to operating temp there for you to see. Got great low side oil pressure. Super smooth, super responsive. '18 speed, super clean interior, extra gauges. Clark Power, Detroit built this engine, so pre-log, you know it's built right by them. Body and paint's in excellent condition. New steers. Blow by's good. Somebody really took care of this one. I don't really see any dings or dents anywhere. Got a slider and a bendable fifth wheel. All aluminums. So disc brakes as well. Find that on all your glider kits either. This was definitely specifically made. There's your factory split tank wet kit. Guys, I hope you like watching this. Hope you like the truck. If you got questions on it or anything else, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.